going for a walk in the woods today. The trees are a mixture of pine woods and also there's some older trees as well. This path started about 200 yards away from my hotel. I haven't met anybody on it yet. I'll show some of the views of Wast Water a bit further on in the video. Let's start off on this walk in the woods. Some big trees come down up there. I'm finding my way using my father's map, which is about 20 years old. So far so good. Must have been quite wet over the last few days because this path is a stream. And that was the case yesterday where I was walking through wet ground quite a bit. Looks like they're doing some reforesting in this bit. Come to a junction. This is where it'd be handy to have a either working phone or a GPS. Yesterday was all about the mountains and the fantastic views in Wast Water. Today is a lot more peaceful, just me in the woods. Bit of an obstacle. I think I might be going to get my feet wet now. Some blackberries here to pick. And there's the road, so I'm not totally lost yet. That hill in front looks like one of the hills on the side of Wast Water. Quite a way away. Here's a stile, and there are the cows, all looking at me. Not been a big fan of cows. Those hills at the far end of Wasdale. Some more cows, this time there's no wall between me and them. Just got to get that stile in the corner. Permissive path. Thank you cows for letting me go this way. The main problem yesterday with Wasdale was the sheer number of cars going down. With it being a single track road, we're just having to pull over all the time. So about a third of the way down the lake I just ditched my car and just walked from there. Back out in the open now, having passed this quite beautiful little farm. There are a couple of men lurking in the woods, not sure what they were doing. Maybe they were gathering mushrooms. Walking through some really beautiful English countryside. Fantastic. Right Howe Cottage. Looks like something off Jean de Florette. Today's walk might not have had the wow factor of yesterday. Probably a more pleasant walk. Coming up to Santon Bridge and over the river Ert. Oh, it's quite full. The river Ert. On the other side we have an old bridge. Beautiful. Following the river Ert on its quite twisty path. Looks like here's where the cows come down for a drink. So still. Just saw a black heron perched on the tree in the river. It looked like a heron, and there was another one which was a grey and white one, more like the usual ones you see in Yorkshire. We're running a bit faster now. This entire walk I've seen 7 people. 3 dog walkers, 2 cyclists, 2 blokes hanging around in the woods. I'm nearly back at Santon Bridge now, so this is probably why I'll end this bit of a vlog.